Alright everybody, it's Tony back again with another video for you. I'll leave a timestamp like I said if you just want to see the saw running, but I got my V-Modest here. This is version 2. I ported it a little different than the first one, but both of them basically no machine work builds. I just did a base gasket delete and port work and the full port muffler. But I got some sugar maple back there, but I got a fresh Stihl 61 PMM3 to 0.043 3/8 low pro chain. So I'm actually quite a fan of this chain. My local dealer set me up with this chain when I bought my original 2511. So all it requires is the different bar, you know, just the 0.043 gauge over the 0.050. But I haven't tried the Nano yet, but for the smaller saws, that was generally my go-to. I do have the quarter pitch, but I usually would just stick to pruning for that one. But I already warmed it up off camera. I was running on the Montech L111 32-to-1, so see what it does back here.